So we will see the set of logical operators that R language allows us to use. So third, so first is the element wise logical AND operator. So this operator is valid only to vectors of type logical, number or complex. All the figures which are greater than 1 is considered to be the logical value, that is true. Let's try. Let's create another vector. Okay. So to use a element wise logical AND operator, so it will be G and S. Let's do control enter. So it will check element by element and it will apply the logical AND operator. So anything above value 1 is true. So in this case 3 and 4 is true. If you know the truth table, so it will be 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 1. In this case true and false is false. Again 1 and 1, so it will be converted to 1 in this case. Then 1 and 1 is true, and again 1 and 1 is true. So it goes element wise. So it unites each element of the first vector with the equivalent element of the second vector, and it will return true or false. Let's try with the element wise logical OR operator. So let's create another vector. Let's create another vector S. Okay, so G or S. So let's see what answers we get. So anything above value 1 will be considered as true, and true is 1 in R. So it will be 1 or 1 is 1, which is true. 0 or 0 it's false. Again 1 or 0 it's true, and 1 or 1 is 1. So OR works like addition and AND works like the multiplication. Let's try to use a logical NOT operator. So let's do this. So let's do not of v. So a true is changed to false. So it's false, then 0 is changed to true, again true is false, and again 4 plus 5i is false. Now we will see the logical AND operator. So previously we have covered element wise logical AND operator. Now it will be just a logical AND operator. We will see what is the difference between both of them. Let us use the same data now. So let us try to print, okay, element wise AND operator. Now we'll try to use logical AND operator. So it will be, so you have to use this AND sign twice. So the difference is it will just check the first element, okay. While talking for the logical AND operator, it will just check first element of both the vectors. If it is true, then it will return true, or else it will return false, and it will not check the remaining vectors whether they are true or false, as like we did in the element wise AND operator. Let's save our work. Now we'll see logical OR operator. Again the same data. I'm just printing it again. So let's do this. Print, let's do element wise OR operator, G or S. So here we'll see everything is true. Now again we will check for logical OR operator. So let's do print G S. If you don't want to type print, it's okay, you can do directly G. So there are no issues with this. Again it will check the first operator, it will just check the first element of both the vectors, then it will return either true or false. In this case 1 or 1 is 1, so hence we are getting true in this case.